Hello friends, in this video I will share some AI tools that will really amazing for you, and you can also use this tool to save your time and money. Our first tool is order.com. By using this tool you can create your website in just a 1 minute. Just click a link in a description below and land on this page. After landing on this page, just select your website type, like I have selected e-commerce site. And after this, provide your additional information like your first name and your website name and your email address and your phone number. That's it. And click on start now button and wait for a minute, and your website is ready. After this, to make your website good looking, you have to add something. After this, click on let's do it, and just select I am selecting a business website, and after this I am writing e-commerce. Our main objective is to sell more, and you can just upload a design or you can select from here. After this I am selecting some additional things and build a website, and after this choose your design according to your website, and this AI tool will create a website for you. And our website is ready, and it's good looking, but it's not professional. And if you want to create a professional website, then comment for a professional website and I will create a video for you. And our next AI tool is Submagic. Just click the link in the description and land on this page. After landing on this page, just upload any file which you want to edit. Like I want to edit my video, then I will upload my video file, and I will edit my video just with the help of AI tool. You just have to upload a video, and this AI tool will create a video for you, like add some additional things like subtitles and effects like this. So our next AI tool is remove watermark remover.io. By using this tool you can remove any watermark from your image. So to open this link, just click on the link in the description below, so you will land on this page. Or for our last AI tool is zerla.com. This AI tool will also create a website for you. Just search zerla.com. This AI tool is also amazing AI tool. By using this tool you can also create your website. So just enter your name, and after this click on create my website. After this choose any category, like I am creating for my business, and after this write a description. And after this put your location and your phone number. After this create my website. Your website is ready. You can also make some changes in this website. For more amazing video, just subscribe my YouTube channel and share your feedback in comment box.